Everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd. Today was a crazy day, and going into tomorrow, we're going to look over some charts. Today, I was day 4 of the 1K small account challenge. So day 4, current balance, we're up after fees 8.6%. If you want to catch my P&L and kind of what I did, you can go join our Discord, and the Facebook group links are below where I go over the trades. I also live stream them on our options trading live channel. Link is below in the description as well. Now, if you're here right now, leave a like. Definitely would appreciate it. Leave a comment. Let me know how you did today. Were you green? Were you red? I mean, we had some major movement. People getting shook out left and right. I just did a couple trades, was able to get in, get out, and just kind of take it easy for the small account challenge. But, I mean, look at the Qs. I mean, Qs pumped up, came down to 363, popped back up 368. SPY came all the way down to 443, closed at 447 just about. And obviously the trend, SPY making an all-time high. But I think a lot of people got shook out today. Let me know if you got shook out. But I mean, thankfully I didn't have any trades on at the time. I was just kind of sit back, relax, and kind of seeing what's going to happen. And the stock market was just getting shredded. AMC, I was in AMC puts because I thought maybe it was going to break down, and I only made like 5%, 4% on the trade before it. Thankfully I got out. Sometimes you got to follow your gut. It immediately pushed back up. And what I was looking for on AMC, I was actually looking for it to get below the 10-day moving average. And you can see here the 10-day moving average right now is at 32.90. It touched it, came straight back down. So ripped back up, didn't come straight back down. Touched 32.90, ripped back up, and that's why I'm like, okay, I got to get out. It's not going any lower. The rest of the market was selling off. AMC, surprisingly, was like some sort of leading indicator. Now it's back above the 10-day. I am still looking to the easy money obviously has been on the short side on this way. So I'm looking for possibly 38, 37 area to get back into a short. Kind of see how it goes. Boeing, I also shorted Boeing today. Boeing had a double top here up around 240. Got axed today, and I thought potentially it could come down to the 225s. I did make 30% on that, but it bounced right back up. So, Boeing didn't recover at all. But what I was watching was like, if you look at the Dow today, the Dow just ripped down and then ripped right back up, and then as you can see, it just kept going and going and going and going all day, just kind of slowly gliding up. And VIX was up 13% at one point today. It actually closed the day up only 4%. It was just getting, as the market was just kind of slowly ticking up, and that's why in this case, it's good to make your money and not be too concerned. I mean, looking at Facebook again, ripped up to 366, came all the way down to 357, ripped, close at 366. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, obviously right now I'm looking to get long Facebook, but I didn't trade Facebook at all today because of the actual movement, and I was actually done trading by the time Facebook started to recover. I was done trading, and you got to stick to your rules, and not go into a trade just because the market's rallying or whatever. Just stick to your rules. My rules right now with the 1K challenge: if I win 2 trades in a row, be done. That's what happened. I made 2 winning trades in a row. Be done. Even though AMC was kind of break even, didn't really count. But I did. Sometimes you got to go about your life and do something else. No point in keeping trading and end up red for some sort of reason that you give back your profits. That's the thing that you don't want to have happen, is for you to give back your profits just because you're like, oh, I'm just going to keep trading. Now today, obviously, would have worked when it went straight back up, but not every day. I mean, so far we haven't had a day like this in a while where we had the V-shaped recovery. We've been having consolidation. We've been having dips and rips, but never, not in a while, we had a V-shaped recovery like we saw today. Apple was strong out the gate this morning, and then came down here. These are the stocks I'm going to be watching tomorrow too, just because really good movement. Apple looks like it wants to break out here. Close at 151, and just very strong recovery. I mean, they're obviously gearing up for the new phones, all that excitement, and Microsoft's been leading as well. Microsoft, same thing again, came all the way down to 290, touched that 294. Would have been a great trade. Close at all-time highs. Looks like it wants to break out. Roblox had earnings, so going into excuse me, I've had a little bit of a congestion and cough, just can't seem to shake it. Roblox had earnings, and Roblox just following the trend that I was in. I mean, hit the 50-day moving average today, got smacked all the way down, closed at 79, and right now after hours, after earnings, is at 76, so continuing down, plus or minus $9. So it's within the expected move, but I mean, just not looking good. You know, we had some interesting. You know, if you look at SPY, the numbers. 2.6 million puts traded versus 1.8 million calls. Normally it's like the other way around. So it seems like more people are trading puts right now than calls. So I know that's annoying, but I'm not gonna edit this. I'm not gonna edit this video, but I'm trying to shake whatever congestion I have in here. Snow. If anyone was trading snow, I mean, just got obliterated here on the 5-minute chart. Just came straight, just moved straight down all the way down to 276 and just never really recovered. I mean, it did hit 284, could have played this bounce, but you know, snow options not that liquid. It is still in trend here, dipped below the 10-day moving average, got saved, closed above it. So you know, it's not hopeless for the bulls, but I mean, it is what it is. Tesla today had some bad news regarding the autopilot, and they had another tweet go out saying, you know, there was another there was another accident in some school parking lot, injured 6 people, and just not a good day. Not a good day for Tesla. At one point, it was down 40 points, closed out down at 686, down almost 5%. It's like down 31 points today. Now Tesla really got to decide like 665, 650 area. But right when it looks like it was going to take off, boom! Reports come out. They're doing an investigation, a formal probe, and you know, I'm actually surprised it actually held on this good. I thought maybe it could have, you know, if it got bad, it was looking pretty bad there for a minute. Like it just went from 710 down to 670 area. I mean, this definitely could have went 650. I mean, just flushed people. Chinese stocks got obliterated. I mean, overnight. Asia sold off, so man, Alibaba. It's a shame. Anyways, Alibaba almost at 52-week lows, hit 179. I mean, right now, not a trade. Gonna see what happens if we can pop back here to like 195, 200 area. Baidu, man, Baidu is it's crazy to me. These stocks, you know, earlier this year, February, like. I remember January and February, like the stock market was off the chain. You could buy like anything. It was going up. It was going crazy. Baidu was getting to EV. Baidu was going crazy. And now you would have never guessed that this was going to happen to Baidu, right? Where it's pushing, like people are calling it, oh yeah, it's going to hit $1,000 by year end. And right now it's at 146. 146. Sold off $6 today. It closed near the lows. I mean, it's just looking bad. I mean, obviously you're gonna get a bounce looking for, you know, the 160 area up in here, but whew, man, you know, just be careful. I mean, right now, take it slow. Market not on easy mode. You can't just throw money in there and hope for the best. You really gotta trade. You really gotta focus, and that's why, like during the live streams, like sometimes I just sit there and quiet, just trying to focus and trying to understand where the price action is gonna go, and then you know, strike. You know, take it slow. If you're day trading, take it slow. Swing trading, take it slow too. We don't know where the market's going right now. Obviously, we're hitting all-time highs, but some of these stocks like Boeing and AMC and all these stocks not doing so well. So you want to be very careful. And I'm not even going to talk about like, you know, FSLY, Fubo, those kind of stocks. I mean, you already know. So if you watch the video to the end, comment to the end, and always stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.